Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something very important, your mental health. We talk a lot about physical health, but our minds care too. So in this video, I will share with you 7 self-care habits that actually work. No fluff, just real tips to help you feel more grounded and less overwhelmed. Step 1. Start with a mental health check-in. Before you jump into the chaos of the day, take a moment to ask yourself, how am I feeling right now? This quick mental health check-in helps you to acknowledge your emotions instead of ignoring them. Even 60 seconds of awareness can shift your mindset. Step number 2, set boundaries with your phone. This is a big one. Let's be real. Phones are a huge source of stress. Start trying a no phone rule for the first and last 30 minutes of your day. This helps reduce anxiety and allows your brain to breathe. Tip number 3, move your body. You don't need a gym membership or a killer workout. Just moving your body, walking, stretching, dancing can release feel-good chemicals and improve your mood. Tip number 4, journal without judgment. Feeling overwhelmed? Try a brain dump. Just write down everything on your mind. No editing, no worrying about grammar. It clears mental clutter and gives your thoughts a place to go. Tip number 5, learn to say no. This is another big one, and I'm still working on mastering this. Overcommitting can drain your mental energy. Saying no isn't rude, it's necessary. Protecting your peace is one of the most loving, caring, kindest things you can do for yourself. Step number 5, fuel your brain. Your brain needs fuel too. Dehydration and poor nutrition can seriously impact your mood. Try keeping water nearby and adding more whole foods to your meals when you can. Step number 7, prioritize your rest. Now this one is difficult for most. You don't need to earn your rest. Sleep and downtime are essential for emotional regulation. Create a bedtime routine that you actually look forward to. Mental health self-care does not have to be complicated. Start with one habit. Build from there. And remember, taking care of your mind is a sign of strength, not weakness. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what's your favorite self-care habit. Take care of yourself. You're worth it.